Nike's boundary-pushing Air Max 1000 returns in black and oat colorways on August 19, retailing for $180 at zellerfeld.com. The sleek black edition, limited to just 300 pairs, underscores Nike's early steps in 3D printed footwear, developed with Zellerfeld. Featuring ZellerFOAM cushioning and a fully recyclable build, the Air Max 1000 embraces sustainable design without sacrificing futuristic style. Unlike the bold Total Orange, the new black version opts for a more understated aesthetic. Early pre-order buyers have praised its comfort and forward-thinking design. Though not a replacement for classics like the Air Max 1, this silhouette reflects Nike's experimental vision and dedication to innovation. The limited nature of this drop builds anticipation for broader releases while showing off Nike's eco-conscious performance tech. Merging advanced construction and minimal flair,